roast chicken. It's a classic for a reason, but I wanted to show you today how we can take different cuts of chicken, roast them in the oven, and have them served at various tables through the week. So something for the family table, something for a Sunday lunch, and then something that you can bring out and impress your friends with at a dinner party. As I said earlier, we can take beautiful roast chicken to any table. We can keep it really simple like I am with this spicy chicken legs. And what I'm doing at the moment is I'm just going to attach the skin to the front of the chicken leg because otherwise it just retracts. And then you don't have your lovely leg covered in the skin, which helps protect it, keep the moisture in, looks nice, all those things. So this is the roast chicken that we are throwing on the family table on a Wednesday night. We're doing a really quick marinade, which I'm not going to mix. I'm just going to drizzle over the chicken and then pop the chicken in the oven and let the marinade start to come apart and melt. And then I'll roll it around and pop it back in the oven. So we have honey, we've got soy for the salt. So we want that sweet, salty, savoury, spicy. We've got some sriracha, so I'll just pop a little bit on the top of each of the chicken. And obviously you can amend this to suit your taste, spicier, saltier, whatever you might need on any given day and depending on the audience. And then I'm popping on lime and lime zest. So I might actually pop some lime zest on the top of each and then pour the lime on to the tray. And we are also putting on some ginger. So I'll just put that around the tray and it'll end up just mixing in. I'm just being lazy, I don't want to wash another bowl, so I am popping everything on the tray, throwing it in the oven. The marinade will all start to come together. I'll roll the chicken drumsticks in the marinade and pop it back in the oven again.
How's the Shannon?
Oh, this Shannon is good.
Yeah.
Mm.
You taste.
Mm. It's got a little fizz on the tongue and it's going to go really well with all the various chicken dishes today. Oh, I tried it at an event and fell in love, a little bit in love. While I'm waiting for that chicken to cook, I'm going to throw together a really quick slaw. You can use anything that you have in the crisper for a slaw. Just cut it up really fine. I happen to have red cabbage, Savoy, we've got some capsicum, radish, and apple, which goes really well with will go really well with the spicy chicken. Just a little bit of sweetness there. We are just going to toss that together and that will go in the bowl underneath the spicy chicken and we'll get all the juices running over it. It will be delicious. So it's been in the oven for about 10 minutes. You can see that the skin's quite dry and that the honey has now melted into the rest of the marinade. So I am just going to give these guys a little roll around and then I'm going to spoon over some more marinade. It's a bit messy, but it's less messy than extra bowls. It's a bit hot, I've got chef's fingers. All right, so we're just going to tip this up and literally spoon over each of these bad boys. And you can see already how the toothpicks have kept the skin in place. It will split sometimes. And then I'll pop it back in the oven for about another 20 to 25 minutes and it'll come out nice and crispy. We'll see you soon. It's the chicken head. Hello, spicy legs. So we've got these gorgeous brown chicken legs. Ooh, they're hot. And for the family, don't forget to take out the toothpicks. We are just going to pop them on a platter with some jasmine rice. Oh, it's going to be so delicious. And we're just finishing this with juices that have been created on the tray with all of those ingredients. And we have spicy chicken legs ready to hit the family table on a weeknight.